I have the Samsung Smartthings hub in the house and have it installed on my Android Galaxy S6 Edge. It'll integrate into the i3's ConnectedDrive into the center console. So it comes up with the smart home monitor. This allows you to arm or disarm. Currently it's disarmed. We'll go down here to Garage, and I have 2 units installed, one on each of my linear garage doors. So right now it's saying close the left door. This is the garage bay I'm in on the left side. So when you click it, I can hear the unit beeping as it controls the garage door. And the garage door closes. And it'll say closing on the screen. And then it'll go back to a status of open garage door. There's a slight delay from when you can click close to open. And this will open the left side.